You. Why is this thing so much fun? Yo! If you're new to this series, I recently came across an Italian mini moto on Marketplace and I just had to buy it. This little gem of a bike was originally bashed around racetracks in Italy, but I seen the potential for an awesome kind of EV project. In the last episode I dropped out the tiny 40cc 2-stroke engine in favour of an 1800 watt DC motor. In today's episode we fitted the power source, a 52 volts 29 amp hour triangle battery from Unipack Power. This 52 volt battery is compatible with the 48 volt kit and is a common upgrade which gives more RPMs to the motor, resulting in a higher top speed. For now I just made up a template for the top of the battery so I can kind of work out where it's going to sit, and then I'll remake it in steel bar later. So at the moment my only kind of points really here are the top. I have one on the front and then I have one tie wrap holding into the motor which should stop that. There is one more thing though I need to get, which is just a bit of foam, and I just wanted to stick this down either side of the battery. If we stick it in there now, it barely shakes, so that's good. You'll notice from the last episode I rearranged the controller and I added this kind of electrical box just to hide some of the wiring. I added an inline fuse from the positive of the battery and a kill switch to break the negative if something terrible was to go wrong. But all that aside, we gotta test if this thing works or if my dodgy wiring is gonna blow up. So we gotta there. We gotta plug that in, and now that has connected to the battery, we put power on the battery. And then that gives us power to our meter, shows 99%, and it's at 57.3 volts. So everything is connected. Will it work? We have power! Nice. Oh shit! Yeah, what the fuck? Why am I like over and under? Oh fuck, man. Ah! You'll also notice from the last video I fitted my new grips, and these are actually the same ones that are on the VFR. I also put on this spare RAM mount that I had lying around so I could use this speedometer app. This is called Ulysses, ULYSSE speedometer, and there's a free and a paid version of this. What I'm going to do, I'll make up a nice bracket for this so it's more permanent on the bike, and then I'll be able to get a flat USB-C cable that'll be able to charge once I have a 12 volt converter. I also really need the 12 volt converter for lighting because I'm planning on putting on a motorcycle headlight on the front, and we'll get something for the rear then also. can't imagine it already. I really want to make this into as much as a real motorcycle replica as I can, because it does look absolutely mad, like the way it is. So yeah, I just want to add a little Street Fighter headlight, which I think would look sick. So if you want to see the rest of the build, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.